In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export PDF from Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable PDF of any Notion page ready for printing, emailing, or archiving. First, head to notion.com in your browser. On the home page, click Login. If you usually sign in with Google, choose the Google option and select your account to continue. Once you're in, navigate to the page you want to export. I'll open a workspace page as an example, but you can choose any page you need. With your page open, look toward the top right corner and open the Page menu, often shown as three dots or a settings icon. In that menu, select Export. This brings up the Export Options window, where you'll choose the format and fine-tune how the PDF will look. Open the Export Format drop-down and select PDF. This format is ideal because it preserves layout and is easy to share across devices. Now, review the optional settings below. In the Include Databases drop-down, decide whether to include database content in your export. If your page contains tables or boards, you can choose how those appear in the final PDF, which is helpful if you only want a summary or need full entries. Next, check the Include Content drop-down to control extra elements. Depending on your setup, this may let you include items like nested content or related details. Adjust this if you want a simplified export or a more complete one. Open the Page Format drop-down to pick the paper size that fits your needs, like letter or A4, and adjust orientation if available. This matters for pages with wide tables or large images, where landscape might prevent awkward breaks. Use the Scale % control to fine-tune how much fits on each page. Lowering the scale can reduce page breaks and keep sections together. Increasing it makes text larger and more readable. If you plan to print, choosing the right scale and paper size can save time later. When your settings look good, click Export. Notion will prepare the file. This may take a moment for larger pages. Once the download completes, open the file from your browser's downloads or your downloads folder. If it arrives as a compressed file, extract it first, then open the PDF inside. You should now see your page as a PDF. Click the file to view it and confirm everything appears as expected. That's it. Your Notion page is exported and ready to share or store. If something looks off, revisit the export window and tweak the format, content options, or scale, then export again for the best result.